Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This Silverado is featured in a shadow gray metallic paint finish and offers 6-passenger seating, all finished in our jet black cloth. Inside the vehicle we also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, as well as our trailer brake controller. Outside the vehicle, under the hood, is a 5.3-liter V8 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Also have our alloy wheels with black wheel covers, black assist steps, a tonneau cover, as well as our max trailering tow package. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and a rear window lock, storage with a speaker in the rest of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailer mode as well as drive mode select, transfer case for our 4-wheel drive as well as uphill assist, then all of our interior and exterior lighting controls, electronic parking brake below, some audio controls are tucked behind the steering wheel, driver's seat as well as the other 3 front seats, all finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. In the center we have our digital information system as well as our odometer. We can see all of our trip computers, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, air filter, brake pad life, as well as much more. Moving down to the left hand side of the steering wheel is our cruise settings. We have those audio controls behind as well. Right hand side, voice recognition, hands-free, controls for that driver information system. And then we have our volume controls on the right hand side behind the steering wheel. Column shifter up and to the right with push to start ignition down on the right hand side. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle, if we go to audio and more, AM, FM, and Bluetooth media, we have a phone connection, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, settings, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer lights, OnStar services. Second page has our backup camera with our adaptive as well as hitch guidelines. Below we have volume and mute, home, back, seek, and then menu controls as well as our seat. Below that we have our single zone front controls for our heat and cool, have AC, front and rear defrost, as well as all of our zone settings. Across the bottom, auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and a way to take down all the windows at the same time. Integrated brake controller, part of our max trailering package. USB-C, USB-A, as well as a 12-volt plug for charging in the front of the vehicle. Moving to our center console, center seat combo, storage with 2 cup holders, openable center storage, some deep storage throughout it, storage space where we can currently see our key fob as well. On our key fob we have locks and unlocks, remote start, as well as our power tailgate and our alarm system. If we just simply lift up on the front, we can lock the third seat into place, have our release down the passenger's or the driver hand side. In the bottom, if we lift up, we have our underseat storage as well as our block heater cord. Both the middle and passenger seat are both finished in that jet black cloth. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, OnStar settings at the front, as well as our dome lights with dome lighting control. Now walking down the side and front of the vehicle, black bow tie on our black slotted grille. We have black tow hooks next to our fog lamps as well as our front headlights. Silverado badging in chrome before our front door. Alloy wheels, 18-inch with our black wheel covers as well as a black Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we also have black cap mirrors as well as a black assist step and our paint match keyless entry door handles in a double cab format. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, corner bumper step. All the way around at the back, we have Chevrolet etched into our tailgate, Silverado and RST in chrome and red. Trailer tow hitch on the bottom. Opening up into the back, we have our power tailgate. In the bed of the truck, we have cable tie downs in both the front and the back. Little bit of lining fabric Then lastly, we have our tonneau cover above the bed. Moving into the back of our double cab, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Between the two front seats, we have our two vents, two USBs for charging, and a 12-volt plug. Across the floors are all-weather mats. Second row seat, we have a 60/40 folding bench finished in our jet black cloth. To fold the seat, all we have to do is simply push up on the bottom and we can make some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.